Welcome back everyone to another episode of XanTech. I'm Xander and today we're going to be talking about shortcuts. Now I'm not talking about how to get from your house to your girlfriend's house the quickest way. I'm talking about keyboard shortcuts for your Windows system. And I'm going to share with you a few of my favorites today. So without further ado, here we go. Okay, the shortcut that we're starting with today is one of my favorites, and that is Control plus Shift plus T. Now let's say you have your browser open up and you have multiple tabs. One might be Google, one might be something else, a third one, fourth one, and you close them all, or you close some of them. If you want to bring them back without having to click on the plus symbol with your mouse and then type it all out again, just press Control plus Shift plus T, and it will bring them back up in the order that they were closed. Next up is another little favorite, Windows key plus D. Now let's say you're in your office or you're at home and you are on a page that you don't want somebody else to see. Maybe your boss, you're looking at something, skiving off a little bit, and you want to quickly drop your screen, go to your desktop, you press Windows key plus D. And then you're on your desktop. Looks like you're not doing anything that you shouldn't be. Also, another one that can be used for this is Windows key plus comma. But note, for Windows key plus comma, you have to hold down the Windows key. As soon as you let that Windows key go, the screen that you were originally looking at is going to pop back up on screen. So just bear that in mind. Windows key plus D to go down to the desktop, and then you can keep your hands free off the keyboard. If you just want it quickly, Windows key plus comma. Okay, next up, let's say you want to zoom in on a portion of your screen somewhere. Now, wherever the mouse is located currently, you press Windows key plus the plus symbol. So Windows plus plus, or Windows plus. You press that and the screen will zoom in to wherever your mouse is currently located on your desktop. And you can zoom out again by pressing Windows and the minus key. So Windows minus to zoom out, Windows plus to zoom in. The more you press plus, the more it will zoom in on that location. And if you want to exit the zoom function, you just press Windows plus escape. Okay, and next up we have a shortcut for your browsers. This one doesn't work in DuckDuckGo unless I didn't configure DuckDuckGo properly. It should work in most browsers. I know for sure it works in Microsoft Edge, and that's Control plus K. Pressing that will snap your cursor right up into the search box, so you don't have to go with your mouse up, left click, and then type your web address or whatever you're looking for. Just press Control plus K, and it'll automatically snap and you can start typing. Okay, next we are going to be going with Windows key plus Tab. This will open up the task view, showing you all the current tasks that you have open. If you have multiple windows open, a browser, your Spotify, your Windows browser, your Steam, or whatever else you have open, any multiple tabs, to go through them, Windows key plus Tab, and then you can select the task that you want to view using the arrow keys and then press Enter. Alternatively, you can also use Alt-Tab to go through your open tabs. Just note that you have to keep Alt button pressed down and then cycle through them pressing the Tab key. Once you get to the one that you want, release the Alt key, and that's a screen that will pop up on your screen. Okay, well that's almost it for today. I just have one more to share with you. And this can be an important one if you're living with flatmates, or if you're in an office, or if you're somewhere where there's other people around and you want to step away from your computer just for a short while, make a cup of coffee, cup of tea, perhaps go to the toilet. You press Windows key plus L. This will lock your screen, but keep all of the things that you were working on, all of your tasks, your open programs, everything, so you don't have to shut down the PC and re-log in again. This is just a quick way to keep everything saved and keep it away from prying eyes. So Windows key plus L to lock your screen. Well, that's all the time we have today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the shortcuts. If you have any of your favorite shortcuts, if I missed any, feel free to write them down in the comments below. I'll go through them and maybe put them in a future video. And so until next time, take care, guys.